What's going on, you guys? In today's video we're going to be doing some mods to the Jeep. First mods. They're baby mods, but they're mods, so go easy on me. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to need a wrench, so let's find it. Let's see what we got. You know what? It's going to be in here. Boom. Alright, so we got the tool we needed. Let's go mod it up. Alright, we're also getting ready for a Christmas party that we're having. So yeah, check this out. We got some, we're gonna have some like bozo buckets for the kids. Got this little Santa Claus that you throw like cookies into his mouth. And then, boom, got this area set up. The snacks. But yeah, I'm gonna do a full office tour in another video. But until then, boom, check her out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up so we can get started on these mods. Let's go. Alright, so let's get this thing opened up. Boom! Alright, let's get these mods going. Alright, so the first thing is WeatherTech floor liners. The inside of the Jeep is super nice, so I want to try and keep it as clean as possible for as long as possible. Next. Tear it open. Nothing crazy. Key fob covers. I got a black and a red one just to keep the key fob safe. And last is a antenna. The one that came with the Jeep just seems like super old school, so I figured I'd switch it out with this one. It's a lot shorter and it looks a lot sleeker. And the last mod is, boom. This is gonna go right on the back window, right behind the driver. And just got my YouTube channel name on it. So let's get started. Alright, let's see if we can open this thing up. Boom. Look how much nicer that looks than, for example, this thing that came with it. Still got like the old school look. So this is just going to go right there. Boom, a lot more subtle and sleek. I think it'll look very sharp right there. So let's go ahead and get that installed. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is take off the old antenna, so let's get that. Alright, so don't need that anymore. This new one comes with a, it's like a base for it, so I got to put this base in first and then screw the new antenna in there. So we'll do it all at once. This goes in here. It's nice. It's got like a little carbon fiber on there. I like that. There it is. Out with the old, in with the new. That looks a lot better. Look at that nasty old one. This one's got like that carbon fiber finish on the bottom. I think that looks sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and get the sticker installed. Alright, so to put the sticker on, I'm going to want to clean the surface really well before I put it on there so it can stick. So, let's go ahead and use some glass cleaner and some napkins. I'm thinking it's going to go a little bit higher than this thing, so in case I have it rolled up, people could still see it. So it'll look good. Alright, so we're going to want to clean the surface first. That looks good to me. There you go, boom. Alright, let's try it. Alright, that looks nice. Take a card. Make sure there's no air bubbles in there. And then boom. That looks really good actually. I'm happy with the way that turned out. I actually got this from a website called Sticker Social. I'll put a link to their website down below. I got here super quickly and it was super affordable, so make sure you guys check them out. And if you guys need any stickers, get them from there. Alright boys, so we're in the Jeep, and the next mod, if you will, is the key fob covers. The car came with 2 keys, so I'm going to go with the red one for the daily use, because red's my favorite color. The interior of the car is red, so it works out perfectly. Alright, so let's get this bad boy opened up. Feels nice, it's like silicone. There we go. They actually made a cutout for the area that says Jeep. I like that. And you're still able to use the key if you got to unlock it manually or lock the center console, so that's nice. They thought of that. So yeah, it came with a red one and this black one too. The black looks nice. I'll put it on the spare. Alright, so let's finish off these mods by installing the WeatherTech floor liners and see how those look. Alright, so let's get these WeatherTechs opened up. Let's see how they fit. That's for the back. And these are for the front. Oh, these are nice. It's like a tub. That's sweet. Very nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the driver's side in first. So I'm going to want to take out what was already in there. Actually got a car wash, so they put these temporary stuff in there. Take out the Jeep liners. Put in the WeatherTechs. Slight problem. It's not fitting. Let me try the other side. Alright, so maybe I was putting it in the wrong side. No, I wasn't. Alright, got one side in. Let's go ahead and put the passenger side in as well. They don't fit as snug as I thought they would, but they do a nice job of covering the entire place, but I just thought they'd fit a little bit better, being laser cut and all that. So anyways, let's try putting in the passenger side, see how that looks. Passenger side fit a lot better for some reason. Check out how these look. Boom. Same thing on that side as well. So there it is, guys. The first mods have been made to the Gladiator. Nothing crazy, but it's our first start, so go easy on us. But if you guys have any suggestions for other modifications, make sure you comment them down below. we're actually planning a ski trip, so you guys will be able to see the Jeep in some snow. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you do, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw. Also, I just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. I think we're like a few days out from Christmas, so this might be my last video before Christmas. So if I don't see you guys between now and then, just wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. And love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.